August is a time of abundance in Alaska, and you may even be dealing with an overabundance of produce from your garden. I'm going to show you another way to get your daily dose of vegetables. Today we're going to be using beet juice. We're actually going to be juicing our own beets as well, but don't worry, you can also buy this at the grocery store. Beets are a great source of vitamin C and fiber and manganese, but they're also a little bit earthy, so we're going to use some other flavors to kind of mask that earthiness. The first drink we're going to make is a sparkling beet lemonade. We're going to use 4 ounces of club soda, 2 ounces of beet juice, 1.5 ounces of lemon juice, 1/2 ounce of simple syrup, and a hefty splash of ginger juice. And there's your sparkling beet lemonade. Now you can go ahead and swap out the club soda for Prosecco or sparkling wine if you're feeling just a little bit fancy. Next we're going to make our carrot beet punch. I went ahead and juiced my own Alaska grown carrots last night. Here they are in my mason jar. And then we're going to put in some of our other ingredients. We're going to mix it in a pitcher and then we'll have it ready to serve later. First we're going to put in our turmeric in the bottom of our pitcher, and then we're going to top that with our juiced ginger that we did already the night before. We're going to just mix that together so that we don't have any clumps of turmeric. Both of these ingredients have really great anti-inflammatory properties, so this is a really great healthful punch. On top of that turmeric and ginger juice, we're going to add 24 ounces of lemonade, a cup of our beet juice, and 16 ounces of our carrot juice. This carrot beet punch is great on its own, but it also makes a really great brunch cocktail if you've got some healthy friends coming over. I'm going to use a little bit of Anchorage Distillery Glacier Melt vodka and then just top it with our carrot beet punch. Our last garden cocktail today is an arugula gimlet. If you struggle to get through your greens every week, this is a great recipe for you. We're going to use 2 ounces of London dry gin, 1 ounce of lime juice, 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. Then we're going to top that with some ice. Then we're going to take our cup of arugula and just kind of jam that all in on top. So then we're going to go ahead and top it, and then we're going to give it a good vigorous shake for about 20 seconds until it's good and frosty. And then we're going to take the top off, and we're going to go ahead and double strain this. Because it's got that arugula in there, your top strainer on your cocktail shaker might not catch all of those little green bits. And then I'm going to garnish with a lime wheel. Whether they're from your garden or from the market, don't forget to eat your veggies, but drink them too.